Hello there, welcome everybody, it's Diorama Don here. In my previous video I made this Horsa glider used predominantly in from D-Day landings onward. So I thought I'd try to display it in some way rather than just hang it from a piece of cotton from the ceiling, which is the usual way for aeroplanes. So I thought I'd make a diorama for it. So I normally work in 1/35 scale. So I've had to make this building that will be part of the diorama in 1/72 scale. So that doors and windows are quite small. So I've made it 3 stories high to make it a reasonably large building. And we've got 3 chimney pots on the top. So what I've done is drilled through one of the chimney pots down into the building, like so, and that will stick out like that, which means, you can see this, which means I can have my glider at any angle I like, because it's only made from polystyrene. I can stick that up into the polystyrene at a jaunty angle, however I fit. I don't quite know how to do it yet, but that's the general idea. It'll be something like that, so it will look as though it's flying over the top of the building and just clipping one of the chimney pots. So that's the idea of the diorama. I don't think there'll be much, get out. I don't think there'll be much else in the diorama other than this being set onto a base. So I will complete the building. I won't do that much to it, put a roof on it and set it onto a diorama, and then arrange the glider at a crash angle coming over the building. So if I do that, come back and show you, you might know a little more what I'm on about. So I'll be back in a moment. Okay, so I've finished the completed diorama now. I used 2 1-inch pieces of polystyrene for the base, so that my very long barbecue stick, my very long barbecue stick went through the top of the chimney, through the house, and down right through to the bottom of the 2 inches of polystyrene, right down there. That left me with about 2 inches of barbecue stick at the top there, which I pressed the glider onto. So you can see it's just a way of presenting an aeroplane rather than just standing it on a sideboard somewhere. It just makes it a little bit more interesting. That's all I'm saying. Okay, so we've got the house and the wall around it. It doesn't need any more than that. That's just all we need. So okay, just an idea for displaying, I don't know what I'm saying, just an idea for displaying your aircraft. What you could do, and this came to me as I was finishing this, what you could do is make some smoke coming out of the chimney pot, which would be teased out cotton wool. So a cotton wool bud teased out and then sprayed grey. If you had that at the top of the chimney pot, so you couldn't see the cocktail stick, and then the glider on top of that, it would look much more realistic that the glider was sort of in mid-air, not touching anything. You wouldn't expect a glider to be landing on smoke. So again, just an idea. Okay, I'll leave it there. Thank you very much for watching. I shall be making more aircraft in the future. So if you are interested, then please click the subscribe button and you will be informed when new videos come along. In the meantime, again, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. And as always, happy modelling.